See, people are a big part of security. And in manufacturing environment, many users may not be from the IT background. Right. So spreading awareness and building a security first culture is very, very crucial. And last but not the least, getting the leadership involved. See, without management support or, even the plant leadership support, right? Even the best security plan can fail. These days, we have emerging technologies like AI, which is rapidly transforming both attack and defense. So, how are these technologies or AI in particular, do you see it impacting the threat landscape when we talk about OT security? And how are you as a leader able to leverage it in your strategy? So, Simran, in my opinion, AI is going to play a major role in shaping the future of cybersecurity. Definitely, both in how attackers operate and how defenders respond. So, from a threat perspective, attackers are already using AI to launch more targeted, faster, and smarter attacks. Correct. And phishing campaigns are more convincing nowadays. Malware is evolving quicker, and deepfakes are becoming a real, issue for the organizations, and not only for the organization but for the entire nation also. So these means the traditional ways of detecting and responding to threats are no longer enough, right? So on the defense side, I believe AI can really help security team in several ways, like enhancing the threat intelligence capability. So AI can process vast amount of data, threat data, and it can highlight what's relevant, helping us stay ahead of the emerging threat.